Okay, so I was looking at my old folders to see if I could find one specific drawing, and there's one folder in there which I already looked through, which was for kindergarten and all that older stuff. And then I realized I had a folder filled with drawings from my Warrior Cats era, which I completely forgot about. And I looked through it already to get rid of everything that had my legal name on it, but there is so much stuff in here, like, that I wanted to share. It's mostly just dogs and cats. It's lots of edgy shit, you will see. This is Shade Whisker, this is... I forgot what his fucking name was. This is Dark Whisker, this is their son. So you see, hide the pain, hide. Adopted, not my kids, Blood Clan. Kill, hate. Death berries, and then I don't know who this is. And I thought I was being crazy because Shade Whisker, I thought I'd include in her profile that wasn't her child, that wasn't Dark Whisker's child. But I was like, no, maybe I'm just being misogynistic, but no. That was deep-seated lore, I guess. This is also something. I had most of these drawings up on my Warrior Cats Amino, but Omega, those pictures are not recoverable anymore. You have to take a screenshot of them now. But I have them here, which I didn't think I had. So here you can see lots of edgy stuff here. There's lots of this is Puppeteer. I think this is supposed to be Marionette, but backwards. That was his name. Here you have, look at them. That's the gay guy. That's Puppeteer. That's Pluto Paw, and that's Snow Paw. I forgot what this guy's name was, but I have the lore now. So that's cool. This one was pretty okay, actually. Here, as I said, Has-Been Hotel core. This is Sunpaw's choice art. You'll see more of it. Here you have it. More of it. Lark Paw, Red Paw, Sun Paw, and Marigold Paw. Because on Warriors Amino, you used to be able, more of it, you used to be able, and my fucking watermark, you used to be able to, you still can, you can make polls, and what I would do is I would make an interactive story called Sunpaw's Choice. I never finished it, but they were very prominent characters. See, this was also my creepypasta phase, my FNAF phase, and my Warriors phase, and my Jacksepticeye phase were all at the same time, and apparently the Eddsworld phase as well. Jesus Christ. Robin. Rebel. These are... I don't know why he has a fucking armband. Please ignore that. Calico. Cherry. I have no idea who these people are. There's tons of OCs in here that I drew a lot that I don't remember in the slightest. So you can see, this is literally fucking vivziepop. Fucking Homestuck relationship chart. I don't know what this... They should have sent me to the psychiatrist for this. They should have sent me to the psychiatrist for lots of things, but for that one specifically, they never did. No matter how much blood I drew, they never did that. So this is Echo, and this is Wave. Except I don't think I don't think I know how to spell wave. And this was from a role play I did on Warrior Cats Amino. This is somebody else's character. This was my character. This was my first gay character. I remember him. I don't remember what he was called. Fucking moth flew by me. Keep calm and read Warrior Cats. This was from the period where, like, you know how you just draw one thing over and over, you're gonna get good at that one thing and only that one thing? That was this period, and then I just forgot how to draw cats. Sorry, I have to keep switching. This is also from a role play. We are leaving Hope Kit. Hope. He looks so fucking goofy. That's the peak writing that you should expect from Warrior Cats role-playing by 10-year-olds. And this was my Warrior Cats shirt design. HarperCollins, hire me, please. And this is more Shade Whisker art. I literally don't remember any of this, but I'm so glad I have it. This is me. This is some random guy. This is Flametail, not Warrior Cat's Flametail, my Flametail, that coincidentally is named Flametail. And this is Honeyfern, who died by a snake bite. But I didn't know how to draw that, so I just made her have a split neck. I don't know what that is. This is like very common themes. Oh my fucking god. Runs in the Family. Like, Runs in the Family, the song by Amanda Palmer, is just fucking haunting me. It's everywhere. Like, you cannot escape it. This is Fox. I forgot what his fucking name was. This is Shade Whisker. This is Dark Whisker. These are some people who I guess are like their ancestors. This is Sapphire Star, and this are like dead children. Fucking crazy. Like, Amanda Palmer is in my house haunting me, I think. See, that's Puppeteer from before, except I made him marionette backwards. This is a gay guy. This is Pluto Paw. And this is Snow Paw. That was my math homework, I guess. These are Hamilton lyrics. This is the first one. Like, it's just that part from Hamilton where they say, "You know what happened to good old General Mercer?" Because I still remember the fucking lyrics. Like, I drew, you can see all of this was drawn on school paper. And I made, my fucking god, Bloody and Beautiful Peppermint. I don't know who this is. The good thing, I guess, about not knowing who these people are is that I like to write things down, which is a habit I unfortunately didn't keep. This is the whole backstory, I guess. I'm not reading that. This is older, so you can see. I need to... Like... This is Chara. I don't know who this is. I'm sorry, I know my camera quality. Oh my god, more Undertale. You can tell my camera quality is shit. More Shade Whisker, Dark Whisker. No, this is her son. I'm so sorry for letting you down, mother. And then a monologue. I really liked melodrama. This is a dead cat from a YouTuber. There's not a lot of stuff here. This is also from that YouTuber. This is more roleplay stuff, I think. Like, where were you, you little shit? And where is your collar? I really liked having my OCs be domestically abused for some reason. Hey guys, can I play? Yeah, we don't want freaks. Get out of here. Does it look like a freak show game? No, because you're the only freak in the neighborhood. This was my logo, I guess. Warriors, Animals, Anime, and FNAF. I need to censor that. Jacksepticeye fan child, oh my fucking god. Jacksepticeye Merc player. I was a Septiplier child. Forgive me. Forgive me. I always drew them sitting in the same fucking position. This is again Fox and this is Sapphire Star. Shade Whisker that I traced. Look at her. Look at her. She's so beautiful. What I was saying is, look at, they never, like, I drew so much blood soul. I drew so much blood and gore. This is Scourge. I don't know why he's bald. Like, and they never, and everyone saw that, and they never sent me to the psychiatrist. Not once. Like, look at this. Boże, zaczuwaj. Honorably. Boże, zaczuwaj. Like, again, I drew so many of these characters, I don't know who they are. I don't know who that is. This is FNAF. I loved writing information down. I'm so sad I didn't keep that habit. Like, look at this! This is his entire lore! This is his entire lore! What the fuck? This is Barley and Ravenpaw. This is Fox, and this is his whole fucking lore. If I didn't write this down, I would not know this shit. And here's more Fox art. As you can see, this is him before, this is him after. Loser, monster, kitty pet. Kitty pet is the worst insult there. Monster is fine, kitty pet, no. I don't know who that is. Again, I don't know who these people are. These aren't my characters. These were from Siri Pixel Biologist playthrough of a cat game. This is Flametail again. This is her mate, I guess, and this is her child. Because I was a Warrior Cats fan, so every woman had to have a man and a child. She could not be childless. This is Sandstorm. And this is a really ugly Bright Heart. I'm so sorry. My Undertale art. This is Shade Whisker. This is fucking Bald Fox. Or whatever his name is. This is Princess and Firestar. Sorry, my this is Blue Star watching her kittens die in front of her. I'm sorry, I know my camera quality is shit, but I can't exactly steal another phone. These aren't cats, these are dogs. I remember making this story. I don't remember what it's about or what any of these people are called. Also, my voice is fucked. So sorry about that. I'm not used to speaking a lot. This is me again. These are cringe doodles I made. I need to show you this. This is Lovecraft without an E. And this is Layer without an E. I assure you, I did not know who H.P. Lovecraft was. Kill him or beat him. I redrew this at one point. I remember because I posted it on Warrior Cats Amino. This is the Tiger Star family tree, as you can see. there's everybody. Everybody is included here. And at one point, you can see when I started to have, like, you can tell the different eras apart. You can tell when I started being obsessed with animation memes. Ungrateful at you. Like, what is this? You can... I literally wrote so much stuff here. It's insane. And this is lore on those 4 guys: Pluto, Paw, Snowpaw, FNAF marionette ripoff, and the gay guy. I don't remember any of this. I didn't remember what he was called until I read this, until I discovered this. Here's the gay guy, here's marionette. Because I'm not reading it as fucking Etanoiran. Percy. Again, there's so many blank pages here. I don't know who any of these people are. Read. I like drawing spiral eyes. Oh my god, what the fuck is that? More random people I never drew. Again. Okay. Poor people jokes. That's personal. That's me again. I really liked black and white. Giving up on this is so real. I didn't have big markers. Oh my fucking god. No, you could tell I only liked to draw cats. Oh my god. I didn't see this one. Keep children away from the internet, please. No, this was supposed to be the joke. This was supposed to be the punchline. What the fuck was wrong with me? Oh my god. This is just warrior cats designs. This is Shade Whisker. You can tell when I started, like, to hate Shade Whisker. I made her evil. And this is Dark Whisker. This is, yeah, Foxclaw. That was his fucking name. Like, this is the point where my art truly improved. I don't know why I gave Skirt a fucking man bun. We're gonna ignore that. I also like to draw rainbows a lot. Oh my god. Again with this. This one was so funny to me. This one just says, "And slays, mother, mother." What does that mean? Does she like listening to Mother, Mother? I don't understand. Oh my god. Animation meme era. I never made them, but you can tell I've watched them. This one was, you can't really see it. It was so light. And this is, so why don't you love me back? Okay. Fucking Ashfur incel moment. These were my first trans OCs. One, I think this one was the trans mask one. His name was Sam, I think. And this was the trans femme one. And her name was Alex, I think. Or it was the other way around. And I loved them dearly. You can tell he transitioned into a boy because he's wearing his cap backwards, and you can tell she transitioned into a girl because she's wearing a bow. More warriors designs, more warriors designs. I don't know what this says. More warriors designs, more warriors designs. This is Bramble Claw killing Hawkfrost. You can tell the animation meme mouth. It is there. Like, illustrated the whole fucking thing. Look at them. The whole family dynamic. Rainbows. Fucking... Is that hockey disease? I thought that was pills. But yeah, oh my god. They never sent me to the fucking psychiatrist. Ever. Like, I drew fish killing... Like, we had to draw the Little Mermaid, and I drew starfishes with bloody axes killing each other. And they never said anything to me. It's like, okay, nothing was wrong with me, but like, what the fuck do they pay them for then? They never sent me to the psychiatrist. If I was in America, they'd think I was about to, like, shoot somebody. Oh my god, furries. Humans. I drew every human back then because I didn't know how to draw humans. I drew them with ears that looked like fucking earmuffs. The fucking Coca-Cola and Pepsi brand. Ooh. This one is bad. This one is actually so good for the time. Like, look at it. There's shading and everything. I popped off. And then here's a more rainbow gay cat with spiral eyes. Vivziepop, hire me. And then this, which is also awesome. I didn't finish the other eye, but I don't know if you can read it. It says, whatever you bury there, bury it deep, because what comes back is yours to keep. Bars. Bars. Oh my god. We're coming close to the end now. After 30 fucking minutes. This is a Ginga character, Kurojaki. This is... Again, I was obsessed with religion. This one's name is Hoodoo. I'm so sorry. Dakota. I really like naming characters Dakota. Lyra. And this one doesn't have a name. I didn't care about him. And again, I was writing stuff about them on the back. More Flametail. I love her. Flametail, I don't know who you were, but I liked you. This is Terror. This was the more shade whisker. I like how I wrote main OC as if I'd forget. Now, this was the time when I was like obsessed with witchcraft, I think. That wasn't more religious themes. Prophet, okay. I was like obsessed with religious themes since I was a child. Not because I grew up in a really religious environment and I'm still there, but because I really liked Angel's Friends, and I was obsessed with the angel-demon dynamic. And here you have Besties Forever, Warrior Cats are, except they're all dead now, so they can be besties in heaven. I remember making these. I made stickers. They're not stickers, they're paper, but they're stickers. Like, look at this. Tarot cards. This is fucking Tiger Star's wife, Golden Pelt. This is Tiger Star. Oh my god. Tiger Star. Raven Paw. Fucking Gray Stripe and Silver Stream. And then these are my characters that I don't remember. I have so many characters I don't remember. Like, who are you people? Who are you people? Look at them. Look at them. I had so much fun making these. I remember. This one is cool. Like, I should do this again. This is Firestar. Look at him. He's so cute. This is like quote-unquote vent art, except I didn't actually vent. This is home vent. I guess this was trans art. I don't know. I just like to make bleeding cats. This is Ginger. I don't know what that is. This is a gay guy. And Snowpaw again. So much stuff here. And I still didn't find the drawing that I was looking for. Actually fucking insane. So thank you for sticking with me here and looking through my art for 30 fucking minutes. I just needed to have this on record in case I ever lost it. Because I don't want to lose it. Thankfully, I never had like a Library of Alexandria moment where I just burnt everything I had. I know I was never insecure about my artwork, but I know a lot of artists did that, which, like, whenever I hear that, I just get fucking horrified. Don't do that. Cherish your artwork. No matter the skill level, you need that shit to see how you improved. And you shouldn't burn things anyway. Like, Jesus Christ. So yeah, thank you for sticking with me. There's also more kindergarten art in here, but all of that includes my birth name, so I can't show that. This isn't my name. This is somebody else that I wrote. Miljana is an idiot. Because I didn't like her. But yeah, there's lots of cultural history here, I think. From the fucking era of the internet, or at least my era of the internet. Which I think is really cool. So yeah, thank you for watching. I never got better at naming characters though, so that's sad. But the point here is the improvement and the sentimental value of these fucking gory cat drawings and Hamilton lyrics. And thank you for putting up with my voice, because it's hoarse as fuck. I'm gonna end it now. Goodbye.